One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your heart? What's it gonna take for you to love me?
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are returning, my name is Morgan and I'm a mom to 3 little kiddos. I do have a 4-year-old, a 3-year-old, which is so weird to say, and a 1-year-old. So I have lots of little kiddos who like to make lots of big messes. So if you enjoy cleaning motivation, I hope that you will enjoy this video, and if you do enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up as it helps me out a lot. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, I would absolutely love if by the end of this video you decide to join my YouTube family. That way you don't miss out on any future posts. And we are just going to be getting into today's video. So I did start off in the dining room, as you guys saw, and I pretty much just wiped off the table and my daughter's high chair, and then I'm just moving over to the kitchen. And I do apologize for the sun that is like shining through. It was definitely super bright, but I'm pretty much just going around the counters and I'm just going to be wiping them off, and then I am just going to be starting on my stovetop, and it was honestly super easy to clean off today, so I'm pretty much just going to be using some Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface cleaner in the Snowdrop scent, and I am almost out of this, so I'm going to try to pick up the peppermint scent before Christmas is over. When I'm filming this, it's still like a week before Christmas, so by the time this comes out, it will be after Christmas, which is crazy, but I would like to pick some up because I do really like the peppermint scent, and I just seriously cannot believe that by the time this video comes out, literally it will be after Christmas. So I hope you guys had an amazing Christmas. I do think this will be my first video back after Christmas, and if you guys stuck around during that time, you will know that I probably took a few videos off and didn't post for about 1 or 2 of my normal posting days. So go ahead and let me know down below how your Christmas went. I really truly hope everyone had a super fun and magical Christmas and got to spend time with your family and your friends. So like I said, just go ahead and let me know down below. Today's video is also part of a winter collaboration put on by Giselle. Her channel name is Casa Virali. Make sure you guys check out all of their videos. They will be linked down below.
Cause out of sight and out of mind is perfect. It's so hard to decide. Oh, I know he got me good in his pocket. I know that I missed a treat. Well, the taste is better. Oh, go on, chewing my bones out when he's done is spitting me out. I just can't help myself. One for the pain, no hesitation. Took us again, nothing can save us, yeah. I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be 3 for the night, all in or nothing. Not gonna stop, dance till the morning light. I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be around you. He looks at me like I know what he's thinking.
So as you guys can see, I am going to be taking my couch covers off my couch. So I have not done this in probably about a month, which I used to do it a lot more often. Try my best to not let my kids eat in the living room, but of course they still do. So this is what it looked like under the couch cushions, which is honestly really gross. So I'm pretty much just going to be shaking these out. I am going to be washing them.
Chewing my bones out when he's done is spitting me out. I just can't help myself. One for the pain, no hesitation. Took us again, nothing can save us, yeah. I just wanna be around you.
I am just going to be dusting the TV stand and the TV, and then I'm of course going to be vacuuming up all of those crumbs that I shook out of the couch covers.
We are who we are. Why don't I be me and you be you? We're spreading color around us. We're lighting up the sky, it's what we do. We shouldn't care about anyone or anything.
So today's video is in collaboration with Lalifit, and they are a brand on Amazon that sells blankets. So they sell bohemian blankets, they sell throw blankets for home decor, which is the white knitted blanket here that I am opening, and they sell a flannel fleece luxury bed blanket, which is the kid blanket, the one for my son, which I will open later. So they have so many beautiful color options, from a new yellow to a blue wave to green and gray. They have so many beautiful ones, and they did also send me a gorgeous Christmas blanket, which I'm a blanket lover, so this was just such a fun collaboration for me to be part of. So you guys are going to see me style these 3 different blankets in my home. So this corn gray colored knitted blanket I am going to be putting in my bedroom on our bed, and I absolutely love it. I was looking for a decorative throw blanket for my bed, so this was literally the perfect one. It just adds so much to my room, and then I'm pretty much just going to continue picking up, but you guys will see me style the other 2 blankets later on in the video.
I've been dreaming all night, bringing me some inspiration. Never meant to love no one, but baby, I saw you for a second and I'm happy that you came my way. Don't wanna waste no time without you ever brightening up my days. Never meant to fall so hard.
So I am just going to be wiping off my son's glass doors, and then I am going to move over to his window, and I'm going to be wiping that as well. I have not done that in a while, so that was something I needed to get to. And then I'm just going to continue with picking up the toys in his room, vacuuming his rug, and then I'm going to be adding some new sheets to his bed before adding his new blanket to his crib.
Finally don't get no fuss, finally be riding on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a what someone say. Finally got my friends in the back of my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. You woke up from a while. Haven't seen you smile since December. Ripped your heart, got a brand new one since you got lost in November. See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind.
So now you guys are going to see me open up my son's new blanket that he got from Lalifit. And this blanket is so beautiful. They have so many different kinds for the kids' blankets, from unicorn to sports themed ones, atmosphere themed ones. So they had one with like spaceships and stuff on it, and then I picked this one that has stars on it. And not only is this blanket super soft, but it also glows in the dark, which adds such a fun touch to it, and it just makes their blankets super unique and different.
you, hit you up, I'm on the other side. I miss you, miss you. Take you off, I came here way too strong. Cannot keep it low key. Got me drugged, your pheromones hit the roof. Auto, your taste. It's really a bad reception out there. Where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? I've lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now.
So as you guys can see, I am just going around and wiping all of my windows and the back sliding glass door as well. And then I'm just going to go around and I'm just going to be vacuuming the hardwood floors because I have not done that yet.
I've got this feeling, I'm feeling you could be the one. I see no reason why I should ever let you go. Don't wanna wake up if I'm dreaming, because you know I can't get enough of this feeling you're giving me. Don't wanna wake up, no, I don't wanna wake up. Don't wanna wake up without you, baby, without.
So now you guys are going to see me open and style this final blanket. So this is their Christmas blanket. And I was so excited when I saw the picture for this, you guys. I have been kind of looking for literally this exact blanket. I'm not kidding, one at least very similar to it. And this blanket was just everything I wanted and more. I am not kidding, like I'm so obsessed with it, and I'm sure a lot of you are too because it's so beautiful. So if you guys are interested in any of these 3 blankets, I will have them linked down below for you. And if you guys do use those links down below, I don't make any commission or anything off of this collaboration, but if you do buy these blankets through my Amazon link, I do make a small commission off of that because I am an Amazon associate. That is how it works, and of course I always have kind of a disclaimer down below saying that I can make a small commission off of some of the Amazon links and all that. So if you do purchase through the Amazon link, thank you so much. You guys are helping to support me and my family, and that just means the world to me.
Wanna shake the ground, wanna break away, let loose. I'm tired of waiting, gotta make that move. All the neon signs, now they shout to me and you to write our story. Wanna shape the new. Do you wanna come along with me? Come along with me. Do you wanna? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it live. And tomorrow's fire.
I am just going to be using the Mrs. Meyer's dish soap and the Snowdrop scent, and I do have some of the peppermint scent left, so I'm going to be using that up through this next week or so before Christmas. I know, as I already said before, when this comes out it's past Christmas, so that might get a little confusing, but I'm just going to tackle these dishes. I hope you guys find it super motivating watching me tackle them.
So let us be crazy before we are cold. You can take us out, your doubts won't hold us down, 'cause we're gonna light up the sky where we go. Oh, oh. Do you wanna come along with me? Come along with me. Do you wanna? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and
So after finishing up the dishes, I am just going to be taking that dish soap and I'm pretty much just going to be washing out the sink super well. I always like to make sure my sink is super shiny and clean after washing dishes. And we are super close to the end of today's video. I do apologize that today's video is a little bit shorter than they have been recently. But I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, remember to give this video a thumbs up and double check that you are still subscribed to my channel, because YouTube really does like to take away subscriptions. I'm not really sure why they do it, but it is something that's very annoying and hard for small YouTubers. So go ahead and double check that you're subscribed to my channel, and if you've never subscribed before, like I said earlier, I would absolutely love for you guys to join my little YouTube family. You guys are just going to see some after shots of everything I cleaned in today's video, and then it is the end of the video, so I will just talk to you guys in the next one.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand, look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here, I swear that I'll stay